Today, the customer reported that the engine felt underpowered and appeared to have a misfire. Upon verification, we observed noticeable engine shaking, which confirmed the symptoms. To accurately diagnose the issue, I used an OBD scanner. This helped pinpoint the misfire more efficiently. After scanning, you can see that there is a misfire on cylinder number 4. To determine whether the misfire was caused by a faulty spark plug or ignition coil, I performed a component swap. I moved the spark plug from cylinder 2 to cylinder 4. I moved the ignition coil from cylinder 4 to cylinder 1. Swap spark plug from cylinder 4 to cylinder 2. Purpose: check if spark plug from cylinder 4 is faulty. Result: if the misfire moves to cylinder 2, the spark plug is the problem. Swapped ignition coil from cylinder 4 to cylinder 1. Purpose: check if ignition coil from cylinder 4 is faulty. Result: if the misfire appears in cylinder 1, the ignition coil is bad. After swapping the components, I restarted the engine and monitored the OBD scanner to see if the misfire followed the components or remained in the original location. This step helps isolate the faulty part based on whether the misfire changes cylinders. After confirming that the spark plug was the root cause of the engine misfire, I proceeded with its replacement. While it is generally recommended to replace all spark plugs at the same time to ensure balanced engine performance and prevent future issues, we opted to replace only the faulty ones. Typically require spark plug replacement every 75,000 to 120,000 miles, 120,000 to 193,000 kilometers, but this can vary by model. Consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations. To confirm that the issue was resolved, I started the engine and monitored for any signs of misfire. I then cleared the DTC and verified that the cylinder 2 misfire code did not reappear, indicating that the problem has been successfully addressed. I will proceed with a test drive later to further assess overall engine performance. After completing the test drive, no signs of engine misfire were observed, confirming that the issue has been successfully resolved.